Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is prime and composite numbers. The objective of today's learning is to understand the concept of prime and composite numbers. The set of numbers are known as natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now natural numbers are divided into two parts, prime number and composite number. Now what is a prime number? A prime number is a number which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. And what is a composite number? A composite number is a number which has more than two factors. Kids, it is a very interesting and a new topic for you, so understand it carefully. Now, what is the name of the topic? Prime and composite numbers. Now, I will tell you which numbers are prime numbers and which numbers are composite numbers. Let us take 2 first. Kids, tell me 2 comes in which table? Now 2 comes in 1's table first. We know that all the numbers comes in 1's table. So 2 comes in 1's table first, that is 1 2's are 2. Now let us see 2's table. 2 1's are 2. Now 2 is coming in 2's table also. 2 1's are 2. Now let us check 3's table. 3 1's are 3. Is 2 coming in 3's table? No. That means 2 has 2 factors. That means 1 and the number itself. Because it is coming in the table of 1 and it is coming in the table of 2. So 2 has factor as 1 and the factor, the number itself. 2 has how many factors? 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. Now I have told you what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. That means 2 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors. Now let us take next number, that is 3. Now let us see 3 comes in which table. Now we know that 3 will come in the table of 1. 1 3's are 3. Now let us check 2's table. 2 1's are 2. 2 2's are 4. Is 3 coming in the table of 2? No. So we will move on to the next table, that is 3's table. Now 3 1's are 3. Now 3 comes in the table of 3. 3 1's are 3. Now 3 comes in the table of 1. 3 comes in the table of 3. So now 3 has how many factors? That means 2 factors. That means 1 and 3 is the factors of 3. So 3 has how many factors? 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. So we know that any number which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is a prime number. So 3 is a prime number. Now let us take next number, that is 4. Now 4 comes in which table? Now we know that every number will come in the table of 1. So 1 4's is 4. Now let us check 2's table. 2 1's are 2. 2 2's are 4. So 4 is coming in the table of 2. 2 2's are 4. Now let us check 3's table. 3 1's are 3. 3 2's are 6. Now is 4 coming in the table of 3? No. That means 3 is not a factor of 4. Now let us check 4's table. 4 1's are 4. We know that 4 1's are is 4. That means 4 is a factor of 4. So 1, 2 and 4 is the factors of 4. So 4 has how many factors? 3 factors. 1, 2 and the number itself. Now 4 has more than 2 factors. So when any number is having more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. So 4 is which number? 4 is a composite number. Remember students again that any number which have more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. Let us take one more number now. 8. Now let us see 8 comes in which table? 8 will come in the table of 1. 1 8s are 8. Now let us check 2's table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are is 8. 8 comes in the table of 2. Now let us check the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now is 8 coming in the table of 3? No. So we will move on to the next table, that is table of 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now 8 comes in the table of 4. Now let us check 5's table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 8 is not coming in the table of 5. Let us check the 6 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 8 is coming in the table of 6? No. So we will move on to the next table, that is 7 table. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. Again 8 is not coming in the table of 7. Let us now check the 8's table. I am sure 8 comes in the table of 8. 8 1s are 8. So 8 comes in the table of 8. Now 8 comes in the table of 1. 8 comes in the table of 2. 8 comes in the table of 4. 8 comes in the table of 8. That means 8 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8. So what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and the number itself, that is 8. Now 8 has how many factors? 4 factors, more than 2 factors. That means 8 is a composite number. Remember children, any number which has more than 2 factors is known as composite number. So kids, numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on are all prime numbers. You will see that all these numbers have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. And 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on are all composite numbers. You will see that all these numbers have more than 2 factors. Now kids, I will tell you how to do the copy work for this topic. Now in your new copy, first of all leave the first page of the copy and come to the next page. Now in the next page give the heading writing pattern. Before starting any copy work, first of all we will write the writing pattern of the numbers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Kids, you must practice the writing pattern of the numbers before starting your copy work. Kids, you must draw the margin line before you start writing. Like I have drawn, write the date, classwork and give the name of the topic, that is prime and composite numbers. Once we have done the writing pattern, then we will start the topic, that is prime and composite numbers. Now first of all we have to write the definition of the prime numbers and the composite numbers. I have written the definition for you. You will also note it down in your copy in the same manner. You know what is the definition of prime numbers? Numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. You will also give the example, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and etc. Now composite numbers, numbers which have more than two factors. Example 6, 9, 12 and etc. Now I will tell you how to do the classification on copy. Now first of all, you will write the question that is given to you. Classify as prime and composite numbers. Now after that, you will draw the columns like this. First column will be of numbers, then factors and then prime or composite. Now numbers will be given to you. Now you will note the numbers in the numbers column. What are the numbers given to us? 5, 9, 11, 15. In this column you have to write the factors, then you have to classify it as prime number or composite number. I will show you one and do it for you. Now 5 is given to us. Now we have to think what are the factors of 5. Now we know that all the numbers come in the table of 1. So that means 1 5s are 5. That means 1 is the factor of 5. Now does 5 come in the table of 2? No. Does 5 come in the table of 3? No. Does 5 come in the table of 4? No. Does 5 come in the table of 5? Yes. That means 5 ones are 5 and 5 is the factor of 5. Now 5 have got how many factors? 1 and 5, that is 2 factors. That means we know that any number which has 2 factors, it is a prime number. So over here we will write down P, or you can also write prime number. Now next let us take 9. I will show you how to do one more example. Now 9 is there. Now 9 will come in the table of 1. So 1 is the factor of 9. Now does 9 come in the table of 2? No. Table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. It comes in the table of 3. So 3 is one more factor of 9. Now does 9 come in the table of 4? No. Does 9 come in the table of 5? No. Table of 6? No. Table of 7? No. Table of 8? No. Table of 9? 9 ones are 9. It comes in the table of 9. So 9 is one more factor of the 9. So how many factors does 9 have? 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. So more than 2 factors, that means it is a composite number. So over here you can write on C or you can write on composite number. Kids, like this you have to do your copy work. Do it very neatly and you should know your tables to know which are the prime numbers and which are the composite numbers. Now kids, let's recall what we have learned today. We have learned that prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. And composite numbers have more than two factors. You must check the numbers comes in which table to know whether it is a prime number or a composite number. Kids, I hope you have understood the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers. Now complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Also do your copy work very neatly. Thank you.